Wow, he's so handsome.
Nice chance to introduce myself.
Hi.
Hi.
Huh? What? Steven, take care of her.
Come to my party tomorrow.
Party?
Let's play, Sis. Let's play. Let me sleep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
5 more minutes, please.
I told you to go away, bro.
Oops. Good morning. 3, 2, 1, and go. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Thank you. Now go.
No. Okay.
Oh, I look terrible.
I can't go to Chris's party like this. Thank you, ladies.
Which one you prefer?
No. No. This. Phone. Hi, girls. I'm getting ready for Chris's party.
I have to get prepared too. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is what I need. Best soap ever. Time to scrub. Face mask time. Why should I pay for patches? Oh. I have to get some sleep. Oh, nice.
Girls, I'm ready. That's what I need. Girls, my legs are so smooth. Thanks to these. Bye.
What? Challenge accepted.
The most beautiful at Chris's party. What? My eyeliner! It's curvy! You can't do anything! Go away! I have to do it myself again.
There's nothing left. I'm sure there's something left. Oh, yeah! Oh, I like it. Insta stories check. Too boring. No. Is it me? Oh, no! Oh, wow! Lily will be jealous. But
roast. She looks so nice. I have to beat her. Which one should I choose? Oh, this one. Yeah. Oh, I don't like it. I need another shade. No. Nuh-uh. No. No. No! I have nothing to choose.
Not a problem. Oh no!
Hey everyone, my party starts in 1 hour. Don't be late.
I have to hurry. Huh? You? Quickly, I can be late.
Fix the degree.
Okay.
Quickly.
Oh, okay.
No time for that. Bye.
Too thin. Chris can't see me like this. Who is it?
Hello, only today. Buy one and get another one for free.
It's too expensive, sorry. Goodbye.
At least take the catalog.
Wow. I wish I had the same makeup. I told you not to.
You look nice.
Nice? Wow. Wow.
I have to find the best dress for Chris's party. Oh, where is it? Oh, no. There! Oh, but it's so high. Oh, where is it? Huh? Alfred!
How can I help you, Miss Lily?
Get me that dress.
Good choice.
Oh, Chris will like it.
Oh, I have nothing to wear. I won't go anywhere. I know what to do. I'm back.
I want it. I got it. Let's see. Huh? They don't fit. Alfred!
Yes, miss.
Oh, put them on.
But they're so small.
Quickly! I can't be late.
Okay.
Okay, let me check. Oh, thank you, Alfred.
Wow!
Oh, hi, Granny.
Hello, my cutie pie. And where is your mom?
Oh, these are perfect for my dress. Oh, perfect.
In 15 minutes, the best party starts. Don't be
Quick,
late.
I have to go now. Yeah. Huh?
Watch out, Miss Lily.
Oh, thank you, Alfred.
It's my pleasure.
Oh, I'm ready for the party. Oh, perfect.
Oh! I need some jewels too. Much better now. It's time for party.
Chris!
He will be mine.
In your dreams. Wait.
Whoa. This is my revenge.
Oh, no, not today.
Hi.
Hey.
Meet my girlfriend, Ellie.
Hi.
Have fun.
Girlfriend!
Oh, sorry for ruining your makeup.
Sorry too. Huh? Wow! Lip gloss? Thanks. Yeah. Woo.
More tea? Thanks, girl. Oh, it's boiling hot! My bad. I'll cool it off with some of these bad boys. So chill. Catch! Hey! Oh no! What did I do? I need heat. Come on, warm up! I did not see that coming. My turn! That's the stuff. Hey, come on! It's too cold! No, it's too hot! No, stop it! No! Run for cover! Hey, check it out! Look, in here! Isn't she gorgeous? What about me? It's giving Ice Queen! Oh yeah? You hear that? It's ready to hatch! No way! It's getting hot in here, baby! I got you, girl! It's just so sweet! Let's start building, shall we? What about the… fire? I need it red hot, people! Yes! Pretty neat! What if I make it super cool? Snowflake cool, that is! So pretty! Wait, what about all this blank space? I need something. Well, hi there, friend! You came at just the right time! Is that for me? It's the perfect fit! See? Slay away! Thanks, besties! Ooh, look! Nothing says elegant like ice crystals! Yay! Jealous! It's burning up over here. Red hot, baby! I love keeping it spicy. Nice work, though. This floor is lava, people! Just keeping things spicy, no big deal. Aw, love you! Welcome home! It's giving fierceness! And look at this amazing piece! It fits perfectly. Just keeping it hot. There. I'm well read, you know. These flames. Ooh, that's hot. Just the way I like it. Looking for a chair, madame? And a good book? Loves it! Cozy red hot vibes. That's cool and all, but I prefer a nice chill. Wait for it. There! The perfect wall decor. See how it glistens? It'll go perfectly with some chill tunes. Harps always chill me out. So relaxing. And I can't forget some white as snow pillars. That's because they match this ice throne perfectly. Take a seat, queen. You like? Can't forget your crown. Oh, yeah. Seriously? What about the red hot heat? Isn't this fun? Oh! Torchlight, anyone? Perfect for creating a warm ambiance. A very, very warm ambiance, that is. And a big screen, too. It's the perfect living room. Which calls for my perfect snack. Let's get it poppin'. Comfy chairs? Check. Movie night perfection. See what I mean? Woohoo! Make it rain! Well, what do you think? Pretty rad, right? Is it getting hot in here? Hey, come here. What do you think? Oh my! Well done! A date night, huh? I'm more of a chill hang kind of girl. Very chill. Dinner's almost ready. Anybody hungry? Gotta have a place to sit. Yep, it's getting comfy, folks. Milkshake, anyone? Look how teeny! My ice queen's gonna love this! Sweet! And even sweeter, ice blue rock candy. Yep, it really adds something, don't you think? For my four-legged bestie, bon appetit! Enjoy, girl! Pleasure is all mine. Well, loves it! Excuse me, I have more decorating to do. I'm in love! So fun, right? Wait! Ta-da! Can't forget a killer closet. No bedroom's complete without one. And I even have cute clothes to put in it. No way, this bed is sick! Hot yet comfy, right? I'm turning the cozy vibes way up. Isn't it pretty? Who doesn't want a fireplace in their bedroom? Great for sitting back and scrolling. Enjoy, okay? Night-night! Sweet dreams for me. Are you impressed? I find blue hues way more relaxing. This is a bedroom after all. Look at that! And a cloud-like rug, too. I'm getting sleepy. You? Things are getting snugglier by the second. So soft, like a cloud. Versatile, too. See what I mean? But nothing's more relaxing than this. Bubble bath for the win! More like an ice plunge. I even got her a vanity. She can keep all her essentials here. It's just darling! And we can't forget a little bedside table. Perfect for self-care. I hope you love it, Ice Queen! Yep, soak it all in. Chillingly fabulous. I may not have chill vibes, but it's totes hot. My style is on fire, baby. Alright, enough fire. Can we just chill for a sec? Okay. Not for me. I think it's time to go for a dip. The heat really opens up the pores. Feel the burn. Speaking of burn… Ha! Sit back, relax, and barbecue. It's a summertime must-have. Grilled halibut, anyone? Or some ribeye? Enjoy! La 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 la! Look! It's snowing! Isn't it just beautiful? Perfect for a cold winter night. In fact, why don't we take advantage of the ice? Skate your heart out, girl! So elegant! She's a natural! Something's missing. I know! Yep. Let's bring our worlds together! I'm into it! Wanna sit down with me? Oh, why not? What's a chill day without a friend? And some good eats. You can say that again! Well, cheers to us! Come a little closer. Yep, it's for you. Well, us. I know you like it hot. Aw, you're so sweet. Melted to perfection. Well, you hear that?